What'd you do?
I just want to show you what it's doing.
Okay.
It's like really running like shit, but it backfires quite a bit. So like I gotta like power out of it. Hear that?
Okay. So what's wrong with it?
So it's leaking. Wait up. I gotta be like sort of in boost and then you feel it. Feel it?
Or it's like,
I thought it was that blow up valve gas because it was like pretty fucked. So.
oh, it might be that too.
But it does backfire.
Yeah, I heard that. What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing another header install. We're doing it on Rafa's WRX. I don't think I've showed this car on the channel yet, so let's go over it a little bit. This is a 2006, 2007?
Yeah, 2006.
2006 WRX. It's got an STI swap. Still TD04. Previous owner swapped it, but they still left the TD04. So small turbo. It's got basically had a stock header up pipe system. We're gonna swap that today. The downpipe was weird. When Rafa got it, the downpipe, it's an NVIDIA downpipe and it had a GM cat welded on. So they cut an expensive ass downpipe and put a cat on it. The rest of the exhaust was what?
APX.
APX, yeah. So that was the exhaust, and honestly that's about it. That's all that's done to it. Rafa also did the delete for the return on that blow off valve, kind of like what I did the other day. He kind of blew his gasket. I guess it was stuck, so I have an extra one, so we're gonna throw that on, get that taken care of first off, and then we're gonna get started on the headers. All right, so we got straight to work. Old headers are off, and the intercooler, all that stuff had to come off to unmount the downpipe because this intercooler is a lot bigger than mine. So these headers are on one piece. I kind of like these because of the flex pipe here. It makes it a lot easier once it's inside the car, but we just realized that it's gonna be a lot harder to put it in because that flange does not fit under the car. So we're gonna struggle with that. We're probably gonna have to lift the engine just a bit to get that flange past it and then throw everything back together. So the headers did not fit. Seems like they cut this angle wrong and it was rubbing right there on the subframe, so we could not get around it. We thought maybe modifying it so then it fits, but it's just way too much cutting and it's just way too much work for what it's worth. Might as well just throw the stock ones back together. Either way, he doesn't have the stock up pipe like I did. And that was the whole reason for the headers. It was to get rid of the cat in the up pipe. Like I said, this up pipe doesn't have a cat, so the only help that would do would be a little bit more flow in the exhaust, and every cylinder has its own tube to exhaust to, but they still would meet 2.1 and that'd be the 2-inch. We're just gonna throw the stock headers back on, the stock up pipe. We'll see where we go from there. Are you gonna order other ones?
Probably.
Probably?
Yeah.
Those would flow a little bit better and that'd be it, but honestly other than that, the up pipe's not causing issues. Yeah, the gapping's a lot better. It's not gonna be opening up on you on the freeway anymore.
Oh yeah, when I'm doing pulls and shit. Yeah, that was the issue, that gasket.
Sweet. Dude, it still rides really smooth.
Huh?
It still rides really smooth.
Yeah, it really does. I thought it was gonna ride a little rough because the spring rates were a little sketchy, but
yeah,
it's definitely a lot better. Let's see if it still backfires. Oh,
no, what the hell? So Rafa left just a bit ago. We lifted the car, checked for the motor mounts to see if those were any good, and yeah, they're completely done. That's one thing that I want to check on today. These motor mounts are definitely shot. I had him move the engine while I was under, and yeah, those motor mounts are done. I'm gonna order another set of motor mounts sometime, maybe next week. I'm not gonna do it anytime soon. I'll just park the car if anything. We took a couple L's today. The headers didn't match up, and the recirculator hose bypass was, we had to undo that on Rafa's car because it was giving him some weird throttle issues. So it's another L, took that off, and then just left the stock again. Some days are better than others. Right now I'm just gonna clean up the whole work bay because it is a mess. There are a bunch of sticks and leaves and all other stuff. and like miscellaneous bolts and washers all over the place, and it's kind of hard to roll around in this. There's nothing else that I really want to do today, nothing else that I could really check on either. I really need to work on the E90 headlights, so I'll probably get to sanding those so I get those knocked out and taken care of. But yeah, other than that, there really isn't much that I have to do the rest of today. Still need to fix this hood. I'm gonna hold off on this a little bit longer. Seems like it's gonna rain anyways. It's kind of cloudy. It got kind of cloudy, so I'm not gonna do that right now. I'm gonna clean the floor, get all the twigs off and all the leaves and everything, all the rocks. That'll probably be all that I do for honestly today. What's up guys? So it's been a couple days after that last clip. I haven't done much. I've been really working on these headlights, on the E90 headlights. Check them out. They actually came out really good. I don't know if you guys remember how bad they were. I'll probably play a clip of what they looked like before, and this is what they look like afterwards. They're like crystal clear, but they are really dirty on the inside. You can see that right there. That's a bug from behind. And we got a couple other little things on the inside. This one just needs the clear coat, but I wanted a picture for before and after. I finally have been able to do this. The other day was just not a very good day. I tried vlogging that header install, and then I cleaned up just the work bay, and so I didn't really want to end the vlog that day, but I did want to throw that in there just to document. But yeah, these are finally done. I'm really happy with them. I have to throw them in the oven and melt the plastic so then I could pull the lens off, actually redo the inside. I might just clean the insides while they're off and everything. So yeah, despite all the mishaps from the other day, man, I sat down probably a good 2 hours on each headlight. Probably at least 2 hours. One other thing, we're gonna go pick up a bumper today for the E90. I found an M3 style bumper for the E90. I think it's going to fit. It's supposed to be the boomerang, not the boomerang. It's supposed to be the kidney grills, so my grills, not the full kidneys, so the half kidney. They're supposed to fit on my car. And as you guys know, the bumper on the E90 is really bad. It's terrible. It's already cracking, it's falling apart. So when I got the car, it was resprayed just to match the rest of the car, but it wasn't a very good spray job. So I'm definitely gonna do a good job at spraying that. We're gonna have that coming our way. It's a really good deal on the bumper. It has a couple cracks, but I really think that we could fix it. If it's not too bad, then I'm pretty sure I'll be able to fix it. I'm not really sure how much I'm gonna vlog later today, but I think this weekend we're gonna go back to Mexico. It was pretty solid last weekend, so I mean, we'll probably end up going again this week. I tried to fix my GoPro because there was a lot of clips that I did not pick up. The GoPro did not record it, and so I was trying to fix that. But I think I might just figure something out for this camera. With the tripods, they screw on from the bottom. Pretty sure I can find some hardware to like bolt on there and build something for the car. I should be able to build something for the cars. I'll probably just try to use this camera instead of the GoPro. The GoPro is pretty solid. I like the POV, but it's just the GoPro, it's a cheap GoPro, so I think it's the GoPro that has issues. I've always had issues with it. Yeah, that's happening this weekend. Right now, I'm gonna finish the other headlight. I'm gonna throw it in the E46. I painted this one in the E46, which I'm kind of surprised it turned out this good. I'm gonna knock out that other headlight. Once I get that done, we'll probably throw them in the oven. I really want to get them thrown in the oven, so probably as the other one cures, I'll throw the other one in the oven. I think that it should be fine to throw in the oven now. I mean, I know the heat dries it up, so I'm gonna throw them in the oven and hopefully we don't mess them up again. I've never done this before, so I'm gonna do some research real quick and then I'll throw it in the oven once I figure out more or less how to do it. Okay, so a change of events. I didn't pick up the bumper. The dude never hit me back up, so whatever. I'm going back to Boise. There's a meet here in Boise. Apparently there's like a Dutch roll meet, so I'm gonna go to that and see how that turns out. I think CJ and Beto are gonna come up, so we'll meet with them and we'll go chill at the meet for a little bit. I guess the trip was a complete loss. We've been here for a bit. Everybody started a fight. So we're gonna go walk around and look at cars. Oh shit, here we go. Freaking two-step forward. Oh fuck, get out of the way, get out of the way. Oh shit. Fucking same. It is stock. What the fuck? What the hell? It's just white as fuck. Those 3-piece? They'll work. I think they gotta be 3-piece. You think it's a 1-piece wheel? 2-piece? Dude, see, like these are 18s. I feel like they look small on these cars. For some reason, I just feel like they look small on these cars. Like 19s, I think they look good on these. Even on this one. Like I remember when Rafa had his, 18s were still like kind of small. This thing's on the ground though. This one's definitely on bags. I saw the compressor in the back. You need the fenders and the bumper and the rear quarter panel. Is that the wheel that I had on the EP3? No, that was different.
It's like thick, ain't it?
Yeah.
It has the same middle part.
It's a different brand. That was Royal. Mine was Volante. Holy shit.
Dude, I think 5 is.
Why?
They destroyed that one.
It's PC Concepts.
Like open up the back and spread it in.
That's an expensive ass wing. Those are ugly as well. Anybody want it? For sale.
40,000.
Holy, already curved the wheels. 2 places. Yeah, dude, that does not fill the gap.
No, it's that one over there.
From the white. That S2K is pretty clean. These bumpers are expensive. Oh, is this a full Nismo? Oh, Nismo. Oh, shit. I think it's time to go. What's today, Friday?
Yeah.
Oh shit, let's go to downtown. I think everybody's gonna go cruise, so we're gonna go with them. We're in the 90s today, so we're slow and we're quiet. So I definitely should not get in trouble for like anything. Bro, it's fucking crazy here again, kind of like last weekend. I don't know, I think this might be another one of those weekends where it just like it gets really lit. I don't think Rafa's gonna come out. He wanted to come out tomorrow's Saturday, today's Friday. Rafa wanted to come out next time, that'd be this weekend. I'm gonna hit him up, let him know it's pretty lit, and he'll probably come out tomorrow. Fuck that, I'm just walking today. I'm not gonna do any pulls. For one, I'll probably lose to everything, and is that Adrian? Oh no, that's a Beamer. No, he's never came to downtown. Tristan's never came to downtown.
What?
He's never came to downtown.
I'm gonna drag one day, dog.
Somebody doing a burnout? Dude, this is the fucking corner right here. Like, everybody does stupid shit here.
Went out there and waved me down because they're gonna have me in this other car race. The guy was at like a flag.
Yeah.
He's like, okay, this is where I got there.
I thought they were gonna run. No, they kinda did. Watch this, there's hella people in this car. Dude, I want a bike. Honestly, they really want a bike. That was my goal for this year, but it did not happen. Did you see that? She started sliding off.
They better go, dog.
G-Wagon, baller. I still want a 5.0 so bad. Dude, I might bring my E46 next time. If I come tomorrow, I might bring the E46. I gotta get tags on it though. This thing's fucking clean. And neon and shit. Alright, we came back to where we parked.
Dude, it's right hand drive.
Dude, yeah, I just saw that, right hand drive. Bro, this makes me miss my EJ. Like, the front end is the same. Mine was a coupe, not a hatch, but kind of makes me miss it. I almost bought a CRX once. It was all clapped out. I knew nothing about cars. It probably would have sat for like the longest time ever without running. But I almost bought a CRX.
It backfires?
A little bit.
What? Dude.
It has a small burble.
That's so sick. Give him a pepperoni with, give him, what is it? A pizza with extra gap on it.
Dude, look at how much traffic there is. There's all people cruising here. This is crazy. It's hella packed.
Your car looks too fast, Eddie.
You think so?
These little big ass drums in the back of it like fuck now.
Yeah, huh?
Hey, just came out weather.
Dude, there's so many fucking cars. That's fucking insane.